Okay, so it looks like the issue is the composition of a function with itself. So I'm taking f composed with itself. So really what you can do is you can write out f and replace each x in the function with an open set of brackets. So if I write this out, f composed with f of x, I'm going to write this out, x squared minus 6x. Then it's just a matter of replacing the thing in the parentheses with the function itself. X squared minus 6x, x squared minus 6x. They might just accept that as your answer. Or you could FOIL, collect terms. This will be x to the fourth minus 12x cubed plus 36x squared minus 6x squared plus 36x. So this box here would be x to the fourth minus 12x cubed plus 30x squared plus 36x. G composed with G is the same exact process. Just rewrite G, but replace the x with an open set of parentheses. G composed with G of x is x minus 1, and replace this with x minus 1. So I get x minus 1 minus 1. That's just going to be x minus 2. Okay. Now, if I'm doing f composed with g of 1 and f composed with g of x, so they want you to find f composed with g of 1 first. You could do that. Just know that when you see f composed with g of something, this is f of g of that thing. So if I want f composed with g of 1, that's f of g of 1. So find g of 1. Plug in 1 here, you get 1 minus 2 is negative 1. So this is f of negative 1, which is 1 plus 1. This is 5 minus root 2, it looks like. Or you can find the composition first. F composed with g of x is f of g of x. Write f and replace x with parentheses, x squared plus 1. And write in g. This is 5 minus square root, that's x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus 1. This is 5 minus the square root of x squared minus 4x plus 5. Plug 1 in there, you get 1 minus 4 plus 5, you get 2. So this is going to go in the second box, and this is going to go in the first box. Same idea here. F composed with f of x is rewrite f, but replace the x's with open parentheses, x squared minus 2x. In the parentheses, write x squared minus 2x, x squared minus 2x. When you FOIL this, you get x to the fourth minus 4x cubed plus 4x squared minus 2x squared plus 4x. Looks like you get the same thing, except this should be positive. Might have been a small mistake. And g composed with g of x is x plus 5. In the parentheses, put x plus 5, so we get just x plus 10.